Did you know that one of the most powerful plants in history might be growing right in your backyard, completely unnoticed? It's a humble, golden-flowered herb called tansy, once a staple for ancient Greeks, medieval monks, and early American settlers. For centuries, tansy was the go-to for fevers, insect bites, and even funeral rites. Yet today, most of us walk right past it. Modern life has made us forget the natural remedies our ancestors relied on, and tansy is a perfect example. Its potent compounds demand respect, but its benefits are worth rediscovering. Today, we'll explore tansy's history, health benefits, and how to use it safely in modern life. Let's unlock the secrets of this golden herb together. So, what is tansy? At first glance, it might look like just another wildflower, but there's much more to this plant than meets the eye. Tansy has a long and fascinating history, and its unique appearance makes it stand out in the natural world. Its scientific name is Tanacetum vulgare, and it's quite easy to recognize. Tansy grows on tall, upright stems, often reaching up to 3 feet in height. Its leaves are deeply divided and feathery, almost fern-like, giving the plant a delicate texture. The real showstopper, though, is its clusters of bright button-like yellow flowers, which bloom in dense, flat-topped groups and can last for weeks. Tansy is a hardy perennial belonging to the aster family, making it a close relative of familiar plants like daisies and chamomile. You'll often find it thriving in a variety of places: open fields, along country roadsides, and even by riverbanks, where it sometimes grows alongside other wildflowers. Its ability to adapt to different environments has helped it spread across Europe, Asia, and North America. In the past, tansy was highly valued for its usefulness and beauty. However, as it spread and became more common, it started to be seen as a weed, especially in gardens and fields, where it can quickly take over if left unchecked. The name tansy actually comes from the Greek word for immortality. This is a nod to its remarkably long-lasting flowers, which were once prized for their ability to stay fresh for weeks. In ancient times, people also used tansy in preservation, believing it could help keep food and even bodies from decaying. What really sets tansy apart, though, is its powerful chemistry. The plant contains a compound called thujone, which is responsible for its strong, almost camphor-like scent. If you crush the leaves or flowers, you'll notice the aroma right away. This scent isn't just for show. It actually helps repel insects and pests, making tansy a natural protector in the wild. Thujone is both the source of tansy's many traditional benefits and the reason for its potential risks. While it has been used in herbal remedies and even in the making of certain spirits, thujone can be toxic in large amounts. That's why understanding how to use tansy safely is so important. With the right knowledge and respect for its potency, tansy's built-in defense system can be harnessed for our benefit. Whether you're interested in its history, its role in natural pest control, or its place in herbal medicine, tansy is a plant worth getting to know. Let's explore how to use it wisely and safely. Tansy's story is woven through centuries of human history. Ancient Greeks used it to preserve food and bodies, while medieval monks grew it in medicinal gardens. Charlemagne even ordered it planted in imperial gardens, and it became part of Easter traditions as a symbol of renewal. Early American settlers brought tansy seeds across the ocean, relying on it for fevers, digestive issues, and pest control. Its strong scent made it a household staple for repelling insects and freshening the air. As modern medicine advanced and thujone's toxicity was discovered, tansy faded from mainstream use. Today, it's mostly seen as a wildflower or ornamental, but its legacy endures. Tansy's history reminds us of the powerful remedies hidden in plain sight. Tansy was once a trusted remedy for digestive troubles. Its bitter taste stimulates saliva and digestive enzymes, helping the body break down food and prevent indigestion. Historically, tansy was used to expel intestinal worms, a major health concern before modern medicine. Its compounds, especially thujone, made it a key ingredient in traditional deworming formulas. Tansy tea was also used to calm cramps and ease stomach discomfort. However, its potency means internal use is risky and not recommended today without expert guidance. Still, Tansy's history highlights the value of bitter herbs for gut health. We can look to safer modern alternatives while appreciating Tansy's role in digestive wellness. Long before the invention of modern chemical sprays and synthetic repellents, people relied on the natural world for solutions. Tansy, with its distinctive feathery leaves and bright yellow flowers, was once the go-to insect repellent in homes across Europe and beyond. Its use dates back centuries, and it was a staple in both humble cottages and grand estates. The plant's pungent, almost spicy aroma is more than just a pleasant scent. It's a powerful deterrent for a wide range of pests. Flies, ants, moths, and mosquitoes all find Tansy's smell overwhelming, making it invaluable for protecting food stores, pantries, and living spaces from unwanted invaders. In the past, people would hang dried tansy in doorways, windows, and pantries, creating a natural barrier against insects. It was also common to rub fresh tansy leaves directly onto meat and other perishables, helping to keep flies and maggots at bay before refrigeration existed. Gardeners soon discovered that planting tansy alongside their vegetables could help deter beetles, squash bugs, and other destructive pests. This companion planting technique is still popular in organic gardening today, as it reduces the need for chemical pesticides and supports a healthy ecosystem. Interestingly, beekeepers also valued tansy, not just for its repellent properties, but because it could help attract swarms to new hives. The flower's scent seemed to encourage bees to settle, making tansy a useful ally in traditional apiculture. Today, you can easily harness tansy's natural power at home. Making a simple tansy wash is as easy as steeping the leaves in hot water, then using the cooled liquid to wipe down surfaces or spray around entryways. Dried tansy can also be sewn into small sachets to tuck into drawers, closets, or even your car. These homemade solutions are not only effective, but also free from harsh chemicals, making them safe for families, pets, and the environment. Tansy sachets can be refreshed with a few drops of essential oil, extending their usefulness throughout the year. By incorporating tansy into your cleaning routine, you're choosing a time-tested, chemical-free way to protect your home and loved ones from bothersome insects. Whether you're inspired by tradition or simply seeking a greener lifestyle, tansy's insect-repelling power remains as useful and relevant today as it was centuries ago. Tansy's benefits aren't just internal. It's also a powerful topical remedy. Its anti-inflammatory compounds help soothe sore muscles, arthritis, and minor skin irritations. Traditionally, tansy poultices and oils were used to relieve aches, bruises, and sunburn. The plant's properties reduce swelling and calm irritated skin, making it a gentle, natural option for relief. You can make your own tansy-infused oil by steeping dried flowers and leaves in a carrier oil for several weeks. Use this oil for massage or as a base for a homemade salve. Always test on a small patch of skin first. Tansy's topical uses offer a safe way to benefit from its ancient wisdom. Tansy was once valued for supporting the body's natural defenses. It was used to treat fevers and infections, often as a diaphoretic to induce sweating and help the body recover. Its antimicrobial compounds likely contributed to its reputation for fighting illness. Tansy preparations were used on wounds and as spring tonics to invigorate the body after winter. While we don't recommend drinking tansy tea today, its story points us to the broader benefits of bitter and aromatic herbs for immune health. Modern research continues to explore how plant compounds support immunity. Safer alternatives like echinacea, elderberry, and chamomile can help keep our immune system strong. Tansy's legacy inspires us to use nature's remedies wisely. Tansy is powerful, but safety comes first. Thujone, its active compound, can be toxic in high doses, causing serious side effects. The golden rule: avoid ingesting Tansy unless under expert supervision. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid it entirely, even topically. For external use, always do a patch test to check for allergic reactions. Proper identification is crucial. Never harvest wild plants unless you're certain. Use a field guide or buy from reputable suppliers. By following these rules, you can safely enjoy Tansy's benefits. Respect and knowledge are key to using this ancient herb. Curious about how to use Tansy safely and effectively at home? Tansy has a long history of use in traditional households, and with a few simple recipes, you can enjoy its benefits in your own space. Let's explore some easy and practical ways to incorporate this vibrant herb into your daily routine. Start by making a natural pest repellent spray. Simply steep a handful of fresh or dried tansy leaves and flowers in boiling water for about 20 minutes. Once the mixture has cooled, strain it into a clean spray bottle. This gentle herbal spray is a safe alternative to chemical repellents and can be used throughout your home. Mist it on kitchen counters, windowsills, or even outdoor patio furniture to help deter ants, flies, and other unwanted insects. The natural aroma of tansy acts as a barrier, making your living spaces less inviting to pests. For a more powerful solution, try using vinegar instead of water. Combine vinegar with tansy in a jar and let it infuse for a week or two. This creates a potent herbal cleaner that not only helps with pest control, but also leaves surfaces sparkling clean and fresh smelling. You can also make moth-repellent sachets by filling small cloth bags with dried tansy, lavender, or cedar chips. Place these sachets in closets, drawers, or storage boxes to naturally keep moths and other insects away from your clothes and linens. To keep the scent strong and effective, give each sachet a gentle squeeze every few weeks. This releases the essential oils and refreshes the aroma, ensuring long-lasting protection. Another wonderful recipe is tansy-infused oil. Fill a jar with dried tansy flowers and cover them with a carrier oil like olive or almond oil. Let the jar sit on a sunny windowsill for several weeks, shaking it occasionally. After straining, you'll have a fragrant oil ready for use. This homemade oil is perfect for soothing massages, nourishing your skin, or as a base for creating your own herbal salves and balms. It's a gentle way to enjoy Tansy's traditional benefits. With these easy and natural projects, you can bring a touch of Tansy's ancient magic into your modern home, safely, simply, and beautifully. Enjoy experimenting and discovering which recipes work best for you and your family. Remember, this information is for education and inspiration, not medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before using potent herbs like tansy, especially if you have health conditions or take medications. Self-diagnosing or self-treating can be risky and may delay proper care. Herbs can interact with medications and affect people differently. Use this knowledge as a starting point for informed conversations with your doctor. Explore herbal remedies with curiosity and caution. Your health journey should be a collaboration with professionals. Integrate nature's wisdom safely and responsibly. We've uncovered the rich history and practical uses of tansy, a plant once treasured for its power and versatility. The key lesson: respect nature's pharmacy and use it wisely. Focus on safe external applications like insect repellents and soothing salves. Let Tansy's story spark your curiosity about the plants around you. Start with safer herbs in your own garden and keep learning about natural remedies. Herbalism connects us to the earth and our ancestors' wisdom. With knowledge and caution, you can unlock nature's solutions for well-being. Continue your journey. Learn, ask, and use nature's gifts with gratitude.